Oh, here she goes. Oh,
baby, stop! You're making me so nervous. What's up, DIY babes? And it is Wednesday and I am in San Francisco and it is cold as balls. Oh my gosh, I feel like I was not expecting that, and it is gray and cloudy and so cold here. But I am literally only here for a few more hours because we are at a Instagram decorated warehouse because Instagram today is launching vertical video, which is probably old news by the time this comes out. Oh my god, this window is so cold. Back it up, back it up. But we are at the launch event and I am so ow, I just banged my hand on a table. I'm struggling, I'm cold and I'm struggling. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so remember that time I did a photo shoot in New York? They recreated the laundromat. I have dancers! Look at my dancers! Woo! And I'm coming in on this like cart over here. We all have our own little setup. So like Manny over there has makeup brushes hanging from the ceiling. There's like a shoe guy here. Ninja, the Twitch guy, is gonna be here. There's a slime girl here. I come in on this little basket and like fly through. So exciting! We did it. I didn't flop. Did you flop?
We did it, dude. Oh, this is my worst angle.
This is not good angle.
This is literally the worst angle I've ever seen in my life.
It's not your good angle.
No.
This is mine. This is my best angle.
This is. Wait, let me get more nostrily.
How you doing?
This is some texture.
This is too much. This is an HD texture.
This is like this eye close-up though is everything.
Wait, no, but your makeup actually looks bomb. Okay, let me get out of the shot. Let me just. Oh yeah. So didn't flop. Went well. IGTV is like the thing now. This isn't coming out until next Wednesday though. So like this is late.
It happened.
Yeah,
We're already on the platform.
It's been happening.
It's
so
been happening.
go follow us. Hi guys, and happy Thursday. Happy Thursday and welcome to VidCon Day 1. I am back from San Francisco. I literally flew home to LA, was home for 4 hours, repacked my suitcase, snuggled with the Mosmos, and then headed over to Anaheim last night super late. And we are here. Hila's here. Hello. I was like, girl, get your cue, get your cue.
Oh my god. Okay, so she's literally dressed like me, guys.
Oh, wait, you're literally wearing that. Okay,
I'm wearing that. I'm like, that's really good. Did they
okay,
know?
here's me and Moose.
What?
Is that ice cream?
Yeah, I think it's an ice cream cone.
Wait, she loves
Wait, I feel like you just did an ice cream photo shoot. That's probably
I did, that's why.
Yeah, that's so why.
Wait, oh my god,
yeah,
so
they
true, I did.
nailed it. Guys, look, Moose and I are center stage. Look at us, look at all the fans. Woo! This literally is exactly my hair. Like, they really nailed it. I think Moose's snout could have been a little bigger, but like, we love a Moose attempt. Put me back on! Set me back up! That was so... Oh my god! Oh, come back with me in your pocket! Come back! Come back with my Lego! Oh my god, little mini LORDIY, are you okay? Guys, I'm about to go on stage in front of 700 people to talk about like brand stuff. There's my mic. Little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. There's like no one else on stage, it's just me talking and stuff. I'm nervy. Here's the stage. It's not lit up yet, but then here's this giant room of people. They're all gonna be staring at me. Low-key, I need Alex to be in the back of the room just like dancing in his underwear. That's what needs to happen, so I'm not nervous. Hi, welcome to VidCon. I saw that so many of you guys are first timers, so welcome to VidCon. VidCon has gotten so much, like this was not a thing a couple years ago, so this is really exciting for me to be here.
Encore! You did it! Yay!
Good morning, guys, and happy VidCon Day 2. So today is my chill day, and I literally have like 2 meetings that are super spaced apart, so I got to sleep in, wash my hair, get a real meal. I'm really excited about it. So today, literally just 2 meetings. I'm gonna go stop in at Alex's meet and greet, and apparently there's a rumor that there's goats and piggies here, and I am super trying to get a picture with a pig, so that's also on the agenda. And then that's pretty much it. Doug, you're at VidCon. You gotta wake up, buddy. You're at VidCon. You're at VidCon. He's like, no, I'm not. It's nap time. It's time for VidCon. You gotta open your squishy face and go meet people and party and live your best VidCon life. Ready? Okay, open squishy eyeballs now. Oh, Dougie. Okay, after your nap, let's go VidCon. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm about to hold a mini pig. Actually, I think he's just a baby pig. Is he just a baby pig? I'm about to hold a baby pig and get my picture taken with him, and he's so cute. Oh, yo, look at that little face. He would be great friends with me, yes. Oh my god, it's PugCon. We're killing CannaCon, VidCon. I'm sorry, y'all. It's PugCon. It is freaking PugCon. Doug was super sleeping when I came to see him. Apparently, Guppy gives him the energy. PugCon 2018! PodCon! Oh my god, Doug. Oh my god, Doug. Look at all your nicks. Look at all your nicks. Good morning, guys, and happy VidCon day 3. Today is the last day, and today we've got a few things on the schedule. Alex and I are doing a Q&A in the main YouTube arena for an entire hour. I don't know why they think that like we're cool enough or entertaining enough to give us a whole hour. That's like really long. So Swoozie is gonna be moderating that. So I'll insert some footage from that right here. What's up there, my baby? Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, look at that here! And then I have a panel, and I just came from that now. Totally forgot to vlog it. Sorry, but it's a DIY panel went super well. So thank you to everyone who came, and also thank you to everyone who came at 10 a.m. this morning to the Q&A. That is bomb. I saw so many of you guys with merch and plushies, and it just warms my heart so much. And then later tonight, Alex and I have another little performance thingy as part of the Night of Awesome that's going on at the YouTube arena tonight too. So I'll be vlogging a little bit more of that. So this is the IG lounge, and it is so cute. They like set you up with so many cute spots to take photos. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this balloon turtle that a lady that was in our shuttle over to the convention center made for me. Look how cute he is. He looks like Crush. Hi, Crush. Also, I just like don't want to carry him anymore, so I'm gonna leave him in this new home, which is the Instagram lounge. I'm sorry, Crush. Time to move on to your next family. Oh my actual crap. This is like a whole installation of stuffies. What is this thing? I think it's a frog. This is definitely like the womb that I came out of. I didn't get birth from a human. I got birth from a frog stuffed animal cave for sure. Hi guys, and welcome to my car. I am back from the madness that is VidCon, settling back into reality and regular life, and I am currently headed to the doctor's office because I'm getting an implant cut out of my arm, which is really exciting. I've been like nervous about this for the last 2 weeks. Now let me explain a little more once we get there. A wild Alice has appeared. Hi. Okay, so here's the situation. I have this thing, and I knew he was gonna do something stupid. I knew it. So basically, I have this thing in my arm called Nexplanon. It's, I mean, at the base of it, a form of birth control. So it was to, you know, A, not have babies, and also B, to balance my hormones because I would get super, super moody and really bad hormonal acne on my last birth control. So I switched over to this one. Basically, there is like a matchstick in my arm that they implanted. So yeah, basically it's the size of a matchstick. They just inject it with a big old needle, and now they make a little incision with literally like scalpel, and they pull it out. Yeah, I'm really nervous. Tiff got hers out not too long ago, and hers was in for 4 years, and mine's only been in for 1 year. So apparently that makes it a little bit easier to take it out, but I'm nervous. Let's get this freaking implant out. Oh, and I also forgot, so I'm getting it out because it has been causing crazy bad cystic acne. Okay, not crazy bad, because obviously people have much, much, much worse acne than I do, and I'm blessed with the skin that I do have, but I went from having very mild acne to having consistently mild cystic acne. Okay, yeah, that's the way to put it for sure. So I am just like, I'm not about it. I'm not into it. Today's the day that we taking this thing out because you're ruining my life.
Would you like fries with that order?
Yes, please. I feel like this is exactly what I meant when I said don't get my double chin.
Oh, what do you want me to do?
Just don't get too close.
I don't think we can actually show it.
No, I feel like that's like a gory, like.
Yeah, that's too gross.
Do you want to put your tripod on my camera for this?
I want to.
Well, I need to hold your hand. I don't want your leg.
Hold my leg.
No, I don't want it.
Oh, hold my hand. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it tight. Wait, you're putting something in?
Oh, God.
Oh, I thought it was like topical.
No.
Oh my God.
This is the longest needle of my life.
Oh, it's gone. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It was barely even in there. She didn't even do it yet.
Don't move though, because that made a lot.
Don't move. Don't move. Oh, here we go. Okay. Did you feel that?
A little bit.
Oh, just pretend I'm cyborg and I'm half tripod, half hand.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here she goes. Oh,
baby, stop! You're making me so nervous. More nervous than I have to be. People probably think I'm having a baby in this room. There's so much screaming.
Okay. Oh, she's putting the gloves of death on.
Stop. Just getting sterile.
The gloves of death. Oh, they're green. Here we go. Do-do.
Baby, stop. Oh my God, I'm gonna bring Mia next time, or Lana. Wait, can you film what's going on, but not your face?
You want to get close?
Yeah, we'll put a warning
She's scalping you.
Don't tell her though.
Your arm is like...
Oh my God, don't. Oh my God, baby.
You have pain?
No.
Whoa! It's like a giant pimple. Whoa!
Stop with your face.
Stop looking at my face. I can't not make that face.
Well, I can't look at my arm, you crazy person.
Oh my gosh, your arm is having a baby.
Is it having a baby?
Your arm is having a baby right now.
Are we?
Whoa, she's putting scissors. She got
Baby,
clamps.
stop.
There's clamps inside.
Stop.
There is clamps in your body. I feel like I need some lidocaine after watching this.
You're not gonna pass out, right?
I hope not. I've never been in this situation before. We're gonna find out today. That's a slippery little guy.
You should have named him.
Can I cut the umbilical cord?
Is it hard to get out because I've got giant muscles? Is that the problem?
Yes, totally.
I feel like, just look straight up. You don't have to look over.
No, I don't want to look anywhere near it. No,
You might see it in your peripherals.
I might see it in my peripherals.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is crazy. You do this every day.
Problem is you get a little scar tissue.
Oh my
Sorry.
gosh, yeah, I see. She's playing tug of war with your body right now. You don't feel that?
Most people don't have the narrations. They do a little bit better.
You're getting sliced open like a watermelon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
He's so mean. I'm
Literally
freaking-
the meanest.
I'm just wondering why my mouth is watering. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, you're crowning. Oh,
Did it just come out?
she looks like a bean sprout. Oh, look at that. Look. Don't look at your arm, but look at that. Oh my gosh. The government put that in there. You can look. It's not bloody. It's just like a red spot. Look.
It's gonna go away too.
Yeah.
It's actually.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna clean it, okay?
Okay, there's a hole in me.
Alright, you just store stuff in there now.
Some snacks in there?
Yeah, you can put some snacks in there.
Really?
You can put some dog treats. Gotta put my pinky in there.
No, you can't put your pinky in there. You definitely don't wash your hands frequent enough to put your pinky in there.
Hi guys, so I am home now and okay, like I feel like I don't want to watch any of that footage back of the little operation that I had. 'Cause Moose, hello? Anyway, I'm so scared to watch the footage back of what just happened. I have my arm wrapped in like purple gauze tape stuff for the next day or so and I can't sweat or like get it wet and not clean water, so like hot tubs and stuff like that. So I mean, I guess I can't go to the gym next week. That's just too bad. No, I've actually been on such a workout grind, so I'm actually sad about it. I feel like I probably made that out to be a little more dramatic than it actually was. No, actually, let's get that straight. Alex made it more dramatic than it needed to be. Anyways, it was totally fine and I'm alive, I'm well, I'm doing okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I know it was all over the place with VidCon and my arm situation, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys on Sunday. Ooh, for a most likely to best friend edition. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. I did this maybe 2 years ago with Alex and I did it yesterday with Mia and Tim. Ram and Alicia were busy, so I didn't have the whole squad, but I had 3 out of 5, which is pretty good. So that's coming out on Sunday, so I will see you guys for that and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
DIY